I've got the Eachine Miss Helen P51D Mustang 500mm 2S brushless warbird out here in some significant wind. So let's see if we can. The prop is just spinning with the wind. Alright, let's make sure we're good. Alright, launching. Oh yeah, I think we might be able to hover today. Let's see. Oh, look at that. We are horizontal hover tested and approved. What a fantastic airplane. Look at that. It's a kite. It's flying backwards now. Not only can it hover, it can fly backwards. That is awesome. What a fantastic plane. Holy cow, man. Lose it in the sun. Let's go back a little bit. Fast downwind. Just a fantastic plane. I think for what it's zoned for, guys, I think it's a steal. Look at that. I'm using a lot of rudder to make these turns so I can keep the wings a little flat. Wind shifting on me a little bit. See, it looks like it's kind of coming in at an angle now. Let's see here. If we can get it pointed directly into the wind. There we go. There's a good gust. I got full rudder in there. You're good to go in at least 10 to 15 miles per hour wind with this plane. I'm trying to remember, I think with the most ballast weight, I think it's like 125 grams, something like that, maybe 121 grams. Is that awesome or is that awesome? I am having a blast with this plane. I put a lot of lights on it now. Now the wind's tapering off just a little bit. Oh, lost it in the sun. That is epic. What a fantastic plane. Check that out. Oh, we're getting a good gust now. I keep pointing into the wind. Oh yeah. Okay. Timer says fun's over. You can bring it in and land it. Ooh, this ought to be fun. This ought to be fun. Onto it. All right, so definitely horizontal hover tested and approved on this P51D Mustang. It's absolutely awesome. Links to it will be in the show notes. A link to the playlist will be in the show notes if you want to see how well this plane flies in full manual mode. Check out the playlist. There's several flights in there.